What's up, everybody? So we're now in the month of November. We're getting very close to the end of the year. We have Thanksgiving coming up this week, and then a few weeks after that we have Christmas, followed by the New Year's celebrations. You might not be aware of this, but these are the absolute worst times to try and trade through. Like all the other holidays throughout the year, it's usually best to simply take the day off since there is so little activity in the market. A lot of the liquidity, a lot of the action in the Forex market comes from the banking institutions. This is why on holidays where the banks are closed, you see very little movement and a lot of the pairs will get stuck in a range. These end of year holidays are a little bit different than the rest of the single day holidays. For Thanksgiving, the market is usually going to be negatively affected up to 2 days before and possibly even the Monday after the weekend. The reason for this is people are traveling around typically to see family members or maybe take a holiday vacation somewhere. So that means the bank employees, people that work for hedge funds or other financial institutions, and even retail traders aren't going to be trading on those days. So definitely be aware of that. And then you have about 3.5 weeks in the clear before the big doozy, and that is Christmas break. I started trading back in September of 2019, so this will actually be my 4th time going through this dead winter season. Of course, the first year I didn't really understand what was going on. I didn't figure it out until later. But for the Christmas holiday, the market is definitely affected on Christmas Eve and possibly even a day or two before. And you'll see much lower levels of trading activity all the way through New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Things should be back to normal by around January 3rd or 4th at the latest. Now, of course, just like with Thanksgiving, people are traveling around, visiting family, taking vacations. But with the Christmas break, I do believe a lot of folks who work within the financial world are just simply taking time off to rest and recover for the year. The industry can be very stressful, and it's nice to just have some time to take away from it all. And what better time than Christmas break? My theory when it comes to New Year's is a little different. Experienced Forex traders in particular do make a lot of cash during the year. I don't work in an office, but I do hear about these holiday parties pretty often. Most of these finance people are honestly probably out getting wasted for New Year's, and they're too hungover to pop back into the office on Monday. So they finally get their water cleanse on and detox all that alcohol and whatever else is in their system, and they can finally return back to work on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm mostly joking here, but this is probably not too far from the truth. So to recap, I would definitely stay away from the markets for Thanksgiving Eve and Thanksgiving Day. That's November 24th and 25th. And the Thursday and Friday before Christmas, those are the 22nd and 23rd this year. I would be very cautious during the week following Christmas, and we should be back 100% good to trade normally starting from January 3rd or 4th of 2023. If you do decide to trade during these holidays, the patterns will likely fail if they happen to form at all. Most pairs will just be stuck in a range, huge wicks, huge tails, just a bunch of indecisive movement that is almost impossible to trade. There are ways to make money even during ranging markets, but it's just not my cup of tea personally. So that is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't be afraid to just relax during the winter season. It's just a couple of weeks and we'll be back to making money again in January. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.